Alright, let's have a look-see. She's all done. All the sidewalk grinding is done. I put in another big 5-hour day grinding all this sidewalk edges. Well, there should be nobody tripping toes, stumbling. But the big reason is because every once in a while the city comes through, and if you've got an edge, they rip out the whole block and they put in a brand new big huge piece of concrete. They say you can do it. You can put in the concrete and replace it if you want to. You can either do it yourself, or you can hire, or they'll contract somebody in and then bill you for it. There we go. There's another one. And another one. All of this, by the way, is today. I did a big huge push today to get it all taken care of. So we finished up. With the grinding. And these are from previous days spent grinding. More grinding. Grinding. More grinding. More grinding. More. And the last one. There we go. That takes care of all of it. Yeah! Yeah! All the grinding done. That's a nice job to have done this year. Oh, all right. On to the next thing on the list. Talk to you later. Bye.